Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new numbers. I have 3 books. 1, 2, 3. I can read. Now look at the picture. What is the boy doing? He is reading a book. Look at the picture. How many books are there? How many crayons are there? And how many pencils are there? Look at the counting bar. How many beads are there to count? Let's count the beads on the counting bar. Books, crayons, pencils. Dear kids, do you know how many books does a boy have in the story? See you in the next lesson.